morning class. Today in lesson 2, accounts of not-for-profit organization, we will do computation of capital fund and a comprehensive problem. To understand the calculation of capital fund, let me explain to you illustration 16. Let's look at the question. Compute capital fund of Karur Social Club as on 31/3/2018. Let's look at the particulars. Furniture they have given 50,000, buildings 40,000, subscription outstanding for 2017-18 is 10,000, subscription received in advance for 2018 and 19 is 5,000, loan borrowed 10,000, investments 20,000, cash in hand 4,000, cash at bank 6,000. Now this is exactly like the balance sheet which we have studied in 11th standard. Now let's see the solution. Example 16 or illustration 16. On top we write balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. We have the liability side, amount column, asset side, amount column. Now let's look at the asset side first. Buildings 40,000 because all the assets will come in asset side. Building is an asset. Furniture 50,000 is an asset. Investment 20,000. Subscription outstanding 10,000. Cash in hand 4,000. Cash at bank 6,000. Now let's look at the liabilities. In the liability side, on top you write capital fund and just leave the space. Then you write loan borrowed 10,000. Subscription received in advance 5,000. Now you add up all the assets side and you get 1,30,000. Now from this 1,30,000 you minus 15,000 and then you get the answer 1,15,000. So this is the capital fund. Now let's move on to the comprehensive problem and I'll explain to you with the help of illustration 18. Following is the receipts and payments of account of Salem Recreation Club for the year ended 31st March 2019. So they have given us the question, receipts and payment account they have given us. In the receipt side we have the opening balance, cash in hand 9,000, subscription for the 2 years 2018-2019 is 12,500, 2019 to 2020 is 400. So the total is 12,900. To proceeds from entertainment 12,000, to sundry receipts 500. Payments we have buy furniture 15,000, buy stationery 2,400, buy investment 12,500, buy postage 1,000 and the closing cash in hand 3,500. They have given us additional information also. Now according to the additional information, there are 450 members each paying annual subscription of 30. So this 450 into 30 we get 13,500. Stock of stationery on 31st of March 2018 is 300 and on March 31st 2019 is 500. So this is the opening and this will be the closing stock of stationery. Capital fund on 1st April is 9,300. We are asked to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet of that date. So let's see the solution to understand this sum. So this is example 18 solution. In the books of Salem Recreation Club, income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. You have a debit side and the credit side. Expenditure, amount, income, amount. So by subscription, the current year's subscription you have to take. So that is 12,500. So the current year is 2018 to 2019. Then add outstanding subscription. Now from where did we get the subscription outstanding? In the additional information they have given us 450 members, each paying 30. So 450 into 30 it is 13,500. From 13,500 you minus 12,500 you get outstanding 1,000. So you add this and you take it out 13,500. Then by proceeds from the entertainment 12,000. By sundry receipt 500, we keep it over here. Now let's see the expenditure side. So on to the expenditure side, to stationery. From the question, we write over here 2400. Opening stock is given, so we add the opening stock 300 and we get 2700. We less the closing stock 500 and the answer we take it out 2200. Then to postage 1000. So then we add the income side and we get the total of 26,000. From this we minus 2200 plus 1000, that is 3200, and we get the answer as 20. The surplus, two surplus is 22,800. Now let's see the balance sheet. So we write onto our balance sheet as on 31st of March 2019. All the assets will come in the asset side. So furniture 15,000, investment 12,500. The outstanding subscription for the current year, which we have found out, 1000 over here. Closing stock of stationery 500 and the cash in hand 3,500. Then in the liability side, capital fund 9,300 which was given. We along with that we add the surplus 22,800, so we get 32,100. Then subscription which we received in advance, we enter over here 400. Then we total up the liability side as well as the asset side and we get the balance as the total as 32,500. So both the sides total, they balance or they tally. Thank you class. That's all for today, and with this we complete lesson 2.